Hey, to improve sound quality of your CMF Buds Pro, I've got few tips for you. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to open the boot settings on your device, go into the settings, and then be sure that the HD audio, AAC audio codec, is actually turned on. Next, you will have to open the Nothing X application, and first of all, go into the settings in the right upper corner, go into the firmware update, and now be sure that you actually get the latest update, because for example, when we read this update, we can find that it actually optimized the sound quality of the balance and more bass options within the equalizer. So it's very important. And then you can go into the equalizer and change some presets. You've got 4 default presets, but also you can set it up to your own preferences. So it will actually change your sound experience. And yeah, this is it for this video, the quick tips for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.